Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating issue of Messenger not opening on your device in 2025, don't worry. We've got you covered with simple, step-by-step solutions. Whether you're on an Android phone, iPhone, or even a computer, this problem can often stem from app glitches, outdated software, or network issues. Let's dive right in and get you back to chatting with your friends and family in no time. First things first, the easiest fix is to restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can clear temporary bugs. Go ahead and power off your phone or computer, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. Now, try opening Messenger again. If that doesn't work, let's move on to updating the app. In 2025, Messenger might have new features or security patches, so head to your App Store, Google Play for Android or the App Store for iOS, and check for updates. Install any available ones and relaunch the app. Next, clearing the cache can work wonders. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Messenger, Storage, Clear Cache. iOS users might need to offload the app or restart their device to achieve a similar effect. This removes corrupted files that could be causing the problem. Don't forget to check your internet connection too. Ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network, as Messenger requires a good connection to load properly. If these steps haven't solved it yet, try reinstalling the app. Uninstall Messenger from your device, then download and install it fresh from the App Store. This often resets any underlying issues. For advanced users, make sure your operating system is up to date, as compatibility problems can arise. Also, double-check app permissions in your settings to ensure Messenger has access to necessary features like notifications and storage. There you have it. Quick and effective ways to fix the Messenger not opening problem in 2025. Remember, technology can be finicky, so if nothing works, reach out to Facebook support or check their help center. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.